Is your WhatsApp not working in the background on your iPhone? Well, don't worry. In this advanced video, I'll show you how you can solve this not working problem on your WhatsApp. So without any further delay, let's get started. Solution 1. Force close the WhatsApp history. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or press and hold on the home button if you're using an old model iPhone. Then find the WhatsApp app and swipe up to clear the history. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Background app refresh. Again, tap on Background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 3. Clear app cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Now go ahead and try to run WhatsApp. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. I hope your issue is solved by now. So folks, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have anything to ask, then please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.